Alright, we have another airplane to maiden. Looking at the Seagulls Models PT19 120 size. This one's all set up. It has functional flaps on it. Looks pretty good. This one has a Sato 120 on it. And it's looking pretty good. The monocoats on it's pretty good. Looks like a really good build. Sato is a perfect engine for it. And also you can see the detail that has been done from Seagulls Models. You can actually see everything on there and it looks really good. Everything looks good, pretty good. You have heavy duty linkages, flaps down below here. And they look really good and they seal right up. Leading edge looks really good. Dual flaps right here. So we'll be doing a video of this one here shortly, and I think we're going to be in for a treat here. So stay tuned and don't forget to click subscribe, and we'll have this one up next.